You wake up in the middle of the night, heart beating a little harder than usual. Your mouth is dry. For a split second, you think, was it worth it? You remember the comments. Creatine ruins your kidneys. It makes you bald. It's basically a steroid. And for a moment, doubt creeps in. Then you roll over. Your arm presses against the mattress. It feels thicker, heavier. Not swollen, not fake, just solid. And you smirk. Because here's the truth nobody tells you about taking creatine for a year. It's not dramatic. It's not explosive. It's not some superhero transformation montage. It's subtle. But subtle changes stacked daily become undeniable. At first, it felt like nothing. Just white powder and a shaker cup. No lightning bolts, no instant biceps tearing through sleeves. You kept expecting something big to happen. Instead, what you got was this quiet, creeping fullness in your muscles, like they were slightly inflated, like they finally had enough fuel. And that's when the pleasure starts, not the loud kind, the quiet kind, the kind where you catch your reflection in a store window and pause half a second longer than usual. Have my shoulders always looked like that? You don't say it out loud, but you know. The gym changes too. The weights that used to pin you down suddenly feel negotiable. Not light, just negotiable. You grind out one more rep, and that extra rep becomes your addiction. Because creatine doesn't lift the weight for you. It just gives you enough stored energy, enough ATP to squeeze out that tiny bit more. One more rep, 5 more pounds, 2 more seconds under tension. And those tiny improvements, they compound. You start walking into the gym with a different presence. Not arrogance, density. There's a difference. But let's talk about the tension, because it's not all smooth. There's the bloating phase. You wake up and your midsection looks softer. You panic. Did I just gain fat? You Google at 1 a.m. like a maniac. Water retention. Intramuscular, not subcutaneous. You exhale. Your muscles aren't getting watery, they're getting hydrated. There's a difference. And once your body stabilizes, that puffy look turns into roundness. Your delts don't slope anymore. They cap. Your chest doesn't sink inward. It sits. Your arms don't hang. They rest with intention. And then comes the mental shift nobody warns you about. You stop thinking about the scoop. It becomes automatic. 5 grams every day. No debate, no motivation speech, just action. And something strange happens when you keep a promise to yourself for that long. You start trusting yourself more. You don't skip workouts as easily. You don't negotiate with laziness as often. Because if you can be consistent with something this small, what else can you stay consistent with? Creatine becomes less about muscles, more about identity. Now let's address the fear. Hair loss, kidneys. Is this safe long term? You research more than you ever have in your life, and you realize creatine monohydrate is one of the most studied supplements on the planet. Athletes, older adults, clinical populations. The data keep repeating the same thing. Safe for healthy individuals. Effective, boringly reliable. And somehow that's disappointing, because part of you wanted it to be extreme. But the real power? It's predictable. It works if you work. That's it. Months in, something changes socially. People start asking questions. What are you taking? You hesitate before answering, because the truth sounds too simple. Creatine. That's it. No secret stack, no underground compound, just consistency amplified. And here's where the pleasure deepens. It's not just how you look, it's how you perform. Your sprint feels sharper, your recovery feels quicker. You don't gas out as fast during high-intensity sets. You feel durable, like your muscles are buffered against chaos. But here's the twist. If you were lazy this year, creatine didn't save you. If you skipped workouts, it didn't build you. If your diet was trash, it didn't fix it. Creatine is an amplifier. It turns the volume up on what you're already doing. If you train hard, it makes it louder. If you slack off, it amplifies nothing. That's the uncomfortable truth. Now imagine this. You scroll back to photos from a year ago. Same lighting, same pose, but something is different. Your frame looks denser, not drastically bigger, just filled in, like someone adjusted the contrast on your body. Your traps sit higher, your legs look more carved, your forearms look like they belong to someone who actually lifts, and you realize something important. The transformation wasn't explosive. It was earned, slowly, quietly, daily. There's also this psychological edge. When you know your muscles are saturated with creatine, when you know you've optimized one of the most proven performance tools available, you walk into a set expecting to win. And expectation changes performance. Confidence adds reps. Belief stabilizes heavy squats. You stop second-guessing mid-lift. You commit. And commitment under weight is everything. But here's the part nobody romanticizes. There were days you didn't want to train, days you questioned if it even mattered, days you looked in the mirror and saw no difference. And yet, you still took the scoop. That's discipline in its rawest form. Not motivation, not hype, repetition. And repetition rewires you. After a year, creatine isn't exciting anymore. It's normal. And that's powerful, because the real glow up isn't the extra 5 pounds on your bench press. It's who you became in the process. You became someone who trains even when tired, hydrates like it's non-negotiable, eats with intention, tracks progress, stays patient. The supplement didn't change your genetics, it changed your habits, and habits change everything. So was it worth it? Let's answer honestly. Did you turn into a superhero? No. Did you add noticeable strength? Yes. Did your muscles look fuller? Absolutely. Did it magically fix your physique without effort? Never. But here's the real question. Would you be where you are now without it? Maybe, but probably not as strong, not as consistent, not as confident under pressure. Creatine didn't transform you. It supported the version of you that kept showing up. And that version, that's the one worth keeping. So tonight, when you mix that scoop into water, it won't feel dramatic, it won't feel intense, it won't feel life-changing. But over time, it becomes proof. Proof that small actions, repeated relentlessly, reshape you. Not overnight, but undeniably. And that's the real pleasure. Not the pump, not the scale, not the compliments. The control, the commitment, the quiet knowledge that for an entire year, you didn't quit. And that's stronger than any supplement.